Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 9. Number 9 is the number of universal love, eternity, faith, universal spiritual laws, karma, spiritual enlightenment, spiritual awakening, service to humanity, humanitarianism and the humanitarian, light working and light workers, leading by positive example, philanthropy and the philanthropist, charity, self-sacrifice, selflessness, destiny, soul purpose and mission, generosity, a higher perspective, romance, inner strength, public relations, responsibility, intuition. Angel number 9 is a sign from the angels that your soul mission and life path involve using your natural skills and talents to help people. Angel number 9 tells you that you are a natural light worker, and that you should look for ways to help others in ways that make them feel better. Angel number 9 could be telling you that it's time to end a phase, situation, or relationship that isn't working for you anymore. Rest assured that something new will come into your life that will make it better and help you in many ways. You have a lot of work to do today, so get ready. Angel number 9 wants you to be kind, thoughtful, generous, and helpful to others and to humanity as a whole. It also wants you to set a good example for others. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.